Hey, look at all the squid. Look at all the squid.
I can see them, mate.
Look at all the squid.
I'm going to upside down the camera so you can see.
Nice size, eh? In the wood.
Male, long and skinny tube.
Hey, look at these. They're going white straight away because they're seeing white. Look at that, eh? Beautiful. Look.
Check that out, Dom.
Hey. Shit. Look at that. Oh. Oh, let's see. Oh, I got another one on the other one now. We got another one on the other one.
Have you ever had whiting and squid?
Here we go. I'm just like that. Just took off. Look. Look at that. Blades of just beauty.
Shut up and sit down.
Hello everybody. Welcome to another show. Well, today you would call it inclement weather. There's rain all around us, but the wind is expected to drop, so me and the Gaz man over here, g'day Gaz. Yeah. We just couldn't resist the opportunity, so we're going to head out and we're going to do a bit of squid fishing, some whiting fishing, I think, I hope, and get a feed for tonight. So hey Gaz,
I've got a bit of a twist.
you can allow Sue to die.
Like Oliver's twist. Nice squid.
Well, someone's got some dinner.
Whee! Made a mess, didn't he?
What is it?
Pink chart. The pink chart.
Tied up here.
Right on the wood again. Oh, they're loving it today.
Well done. Nice. Look at that. Hey. Beautiful. Gary, look at this, hey? He took some line, this dog. Took some line, this one. Look at that. Took some
About
line.
time you caught one, Mick.
Well, you know. In the bag, as they say. Thank you.
Look at that.
See if he's got a mate. Look at that, Gary. Nice size, eh? In the wood?
Male.
In the wood?
Male one.
Male.
Long and skinny tube. Help you with this.
Oh, he's so nice. Oh, look. Look.
Little bambino.
Nice one. 2 and 2.
Mick's on the bottom again, Pete.
Yeah. You have a look. I'll show you the bottom, Gary.
Cut the line. Save you the effort.
I'll show you the bottom, Gary. Why are you casting the top of my line for?
Just in case there's one out there.
You better get the neck. He's going to need it. Yeah. Look at this stretch of this line. That's what I'm talking about. Oh,
It's a big dog.
big dog. All right. Look at that one.
I can't lift it, man. It's too heavy.
Oh, look at the colour.
Scared him.
Let me show you again, Gary, where the squid was. It's over here, mate. Just over there. Got to go there. That's where they are.
Oh, there's no good lines over there.
Yeah, well. I'm just trying to tell you where they are. You know? I just don't want you to go home without catching a couple of squid, that's all.
Well, we're right to go home.
All right, you got one
let's
around.
go home.
Yeah, all right.
Mick,
You reckon there's a big angry squid?
big angry squid.
Yeah?
It's always a bit hard on a rod. I can't feel him, you know.
See if I can get one.
See if he's got a mate.
See, you listen to me. Start working the gym. This is how it is. I told you. That's how you do it. See, I stopped. You started, and that's how you get the squid.
Oh, look at this one, Mick.
Oh.
Get the net.
Yeah, all right. Mate, this one here.
One tentacle.
One tentacle job. It's not that big. Jesus, Gary.
Get the net.
It's big enough though.
It's cool.
It's a female.
She likes the pink.
No, I'm talking about Gary. No, I mean the squid. Yeah. Anything else you want to do? You want to hold it for you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Great job.
What do you want me to do? Oh, I've got one here too. So, you mind? Yeah. Oh, see? Motion of the ocean, people. Motion of the ocean. Another one. Gary. Oh.
Ain't that yet?
Yes, sir. You're right here. One tentacle as well. Oh. And look at these. They're going white straight away because they're seeing
Oh, I
white
got another one on here, Mick.
as well. Oh, hang on.
Oh, bastard! You got off.
Oh, you sure that wasn't the ground?
I'm pretty sure.
Look at that, eh?
Oh, squid.
Beautiful,
Check
look.
that out, Dom.
Hey. Woo! That's definitely dinner. Yummo.
I saw the big dog just come straight in at the back of it. I was like, it was a decent size and they took a bit of line. Another angry squid.
Angry squid.
Guaranteed he's not very happy, that's for sure. I think he's got a mate too, Mick. Bring your
Is he?
line up.
All right,
He's
hang on
got
a second.
two right behind it.
All right, here we go.
Holy Nora, look at the one behind it.
Big one.
There's three.
All right.
Look at the size of that. Oh my lordy.
Let's see. Hang on. Hold him there. Hold him there.
Here's one.
Yep. Here they come. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That was crazy.
Got it.
Look at this. They were just chasing it. He's big too. Whoa. Might need a net. Hey, look at all the squid. Look at all the
I
squid.
can see him, mate.
Look at all the squid. Look at them all.
You want me to get that in the
Look at
water
that.
so you can see it?
Look at all the squid. Yeah, go
And
for
look
it.
at the size of them.
Hey, look, we're just going to hold it there for you.
I'm going to upside down the camera so you can see. Mick, what just happened?
Oh, we got 3 on.
Now things are going to be interesting. We're going to try and get them off the
All right,
hook.
we're going to hold this one here. Get him out. We'll get yours in.
Straight over the top of your line.
Oh, well, we'll get another one, don't worry. Now I'm on again. I'm on this one here too. Oh, no, you got off, He'll come back. We'll hold him here. Crazy squid session. Are you on again?
Yep.
All right, is there any more behind it?
Mate, sitting there thick there in the water, I wouldn't
Look at
be
this. This is crazy, man. Look at the size of that, Gary. That's unreal. Unbelievable. Show the camera, mate. Upside down. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Hang on a second. Let me wrigglies. Eh? All right, you ready? We'll get this one in. Look at the size of these things. You got him? All right. Sit him out there for a minute. We got Gary's in there. Hang on, got another one on here. Got another one on here. Yes. This is crazy, man. Yours is still going, yeah? Shit. Look at that. Oh. Oh, let's see. Oh, I got another one on the other one now. We got another one on the other one as well.
Have you ever had whiting and squid?
Here we go. I'm just like that. Just took off. Look. Oh shit. This is nuts. All right, this is it again. Absolutely crazy. Any more fun on that one or what? Look at this. He just took off this one. I don't think he's overly big, but he's all right. And he just got him. Most amazing thing, Gary's is still on still. He's still on from the first one. We've got another 4 or 5. All right.
That's the way to catch squid.
Woo! It's crazy, man. All right, let's get yours in. Oh, the craziest squid session ever. All right, so if we stay at home, see what happens?
Just it.
Unbelievable. Squid's so fun. Here, I'll give you your rod.
You just see the size of them that came up behind this one to start with. They're just bloody huge. Thanks.
It's just crazy, man.
I thought mine was a decent size, and then you could see the size of some of the tubes behind it. It was massive.
Well, that was, whew, that's one crazy session. One crazy session. That's one of the ones we're using. That's the white one. White knight. Beautiful. How tired do you feel, mate?
I'm worn out, mate. I think we better go back in.
Oh, no.
Have a rest.
Look at that, whole bucket. Just nuts, all at once. It's just,
You know what that is?
well done, mate.
Zero
Well
to
done.
hero in about 2 minutes. Unbelievable.
That's why I love doing this shit. Woo! All right, see what happens next, guys. Anyway, we'll show what we do next, and then we'll see you guys next show. Thanks for watching again, guys. Talk to you soon. Stay safe. Over and out. So what we're doing is just clean the squid with the seawater, go straight in the bag, put it straight in the freezer when we get home, and then in this other bucket is all our bait, all over there. So for next time when we go deep sea fishing, we got beautiful fresh bait. Well, we're back home. I've just chucked on some veggies. I'm going to smoke the calamari tonight in the wood-fired oven, and we're going to have smoked calamari and some veggies, and that's it. So that's all I'm doing with the calamari tonight. Just turned a bit shitty tonight, so I thought I'd do it in the pizza oven, and it gives a good like smoky taste. So that's what I like about it, just something different. I'll show you a bit more about it a bit later when it starts to not smoke so much. All right, see you in a sec. Alright guys, so what I'm doing is I've got this marinated squid here, this here. This is one we caught today. Very nice. So it's very simple. Oil, salt and pepper, lemon juice, and a little bit of chili, sweet chili that is, just so it just caramelizes when it cooks. So it's been sitting there for a little while. So this is what I do anyway. So lay it on here, just like that, on the I suppose you call it cake rack. Really simple. I've left it big so you can put it in sandwiches or in a salad or whatever. Alright, that's the one. Like that, on a tray. I'll put it on a tray because I don't want to get it on the bricks because of the pizza oven. But look at that, that's just really simple, awesome. Get the smoke out of here. Anyway, this is veggies. Roasted. Simple veggies. Roast potatoes. These are all smoked as well, really nice. And now the calamari. Smoking. All in there. Look at that. There we go. That'll take about 5 minutes, and that's all you need. And then dinner's ready. Nearly ready. Alright, let's have a look at these little dogs. Wow. Look at that. Look at those. A couple more minutes and we're going to be there. Moment of truth. There we go. These look. Look at that. Look at that. Blades of just beauty. Alright guys, I'm gonna get you some of this.